my landlady and I.
All these people, I told them 5 bags. 5 bags. And look at what they... where are you going to?
I want to see my friend now.
You want to see your friend? You want to see your friend by this time of the day? Please, what is your time?
Mama, it's 7:45.
Hey, 7:45. It is not even 8 yet. And you are coming to see your friend. You are coming to see your friend by this time of the month. Imagine. It is you now, lazy Nigerian youth, moving here and there. Please, I beg you this morning, leave my house.
Mama, what is all this now?
Okay.
Mama, not be here once in.
But it is my compound. I said leave my house.
Rubbish.
Where are you going to?
I will push you.
Hey, I will show you madness. Leave my compound.
Hey.
Oh, you wait. Leave my compound.
Okay, I will leave. It's your house.
Lazy Nigerian.
Rubbish.
Rubbish too. No, nonsense. Leave my compound.
My guy. What's up? I'm gonna landlady you. She sleep.
Where
they go now?
But thank God, the last Jerry, one couple like that, they won't wait, so they need me for professional advice and anything like that.
We don't have mal.
I believe I will recover. So how far?
I be make you give me a care. You get one scam bill and one knock for your house. You know, see my area don't cast now. So make I collect your key now. Chap. I don't finish. Before you come back, safe. I don't return the key. I beg.
Guy, you know go ever change. Sick Jerry.
My guy. You get food for house.
I just arrange new food stuffs and everything. So if you just
cook. Correct guy. Don't worry. I believe in that.
Hey, all these children of these days, they are growing so fast. Look at this one. Wonders shall never. Oi, please come.
Naomi, good evening, ma.
Your refund. Go inside, pack your things, and leave my house.
What have I done now?
Did I not warn you? Did I not tell you that I don't want that jobless friend of yours in my compound again?
Landlady, I beg. Not today.
Okay,
Mommy, I'm sorry for working out on you. I just brought this sweet, delicious meal so that you just need to calm down.
It doesn't change anything. You will still have to leave my house.
Mommy, don't worry. Don't worry, it won't come to my house again.
It won't come to my house again.
Don't worry.
Enjoy. You just.
It's nice.
My landlady.
One, that's your friend. I don't want to ever see him in my compound again.
Don't worry, it won't come to my house.
What about the money?
Which money again?
You know now. You know how it is. The money.
No worry, don't worry. The next one, house rent now. Just eat, I'll give you.
You will give me. Else, you will still have to leave my house. Don't think you can bribe me.
I'm coming. Let me. Hello?
Oyiko, how far now?
About you?
I prepare one jollof rice for you with Jamaican vegetable. As I chop am, it knock me down. Now I just wake up as I talk to you like this.
Mado, boy. Wait. Inside the jollof rice you cook for house?
Yes, now. You never enter Kaba. You never enter inside house.
Oh, I don't give landlady one plate.
You don't give landlady the rice so I keep for you.
Yeah.
Hey, guy, I dey come.
Which kind of they come, Jerry? They come.
Oi! Guy, go bring water, come bring water. Are you fast now? Will she be alright? She'll be fine.
Oi, so you allowed this boy to my compound after everything. When I recover myself, you leave my compound.